Are you frustrated with your faulty air conditioning system? Replace it. Nope. It will be better to repair the issues with the help of the experts. But we're to Avail, the best air conditioning repair services in Charlotte. Rapp's does it all. Air conditioning, heating, plumbing and electrical are there at your service. Some of the benefits of choosing them are: number 1, reliable. Number 2, expert repair technicians, and number 3, affordable charges. You can call them at any emergencies. For more information about their services, visit their official website,